Hello everyone, welcome back to Backlog Stories channel. In today's session, I'll be showing how to install Terraform on Windows 10 machine. So basically, it's a very simple and easy, installations given by the HashiCorp organization. So let's get started. In order to install Terraform in Windows 10, so you need to go to official Terraform website. Terraform download for Windows 10. Search with Terraform download for Windows 10 and the first official website. Go to official website for don't go for any other third-party website. Okay. Scroll down. At the bottom, you see the list of OSs and depends on their operating system, whether 32-bit or 64-bit. Each has a link for downloads. Depending upon your OS type, operating type, 32-bit or 64-bit, and the OS type. Is it a Linux or Mac or Solaris or Windows? You need to download that link. Today, we'll be looking at how to install Terraform on Windows machine. And my base laptop Windows machine is Windows 10 with 64-bit operating system. Hence, I'm downloading this link. Okay. Once you just click that link, and you can it will start download. It's a zip file. Once it is downloaded, let me show you what are the next step we have to perform. Okay, looks like the download is completed. I'm going to download location. Okay, I want to copy to some other location. Okay, I'll create Terraform binary folder, and I want to copy here, and this is a zip file. Then we need to extract this using any extraction tool. After extraction, after going inside this folder, you can see there is a one executable file, exe file called terraform.exe. Okay. So now, next you have to go to CMD. Okay. Go to whatever we have created. Go to extracted path. Here is the exe. Okay. Let's check whether installation is proper or not. How do you check installation is proper or not? Just you have to type terraform.exe -v. It will be the version which we have installed in our local laptop. Suppose in case while running this command, if you are getting any errors, it's not able to give expected result. That means there is something is wrong in the installation. You need to reinstall again. You need to follow. Just rewatch this video and follow the steps again. Still, you are not able to understand if you're facing issue. Post the comments. Post the issue in the comments. I'll take a look comment and I'll try to help on fixing the issues. So this is one of the method, and you can also run terraform.exe. Okay, so it's giving version 1.0.6. That means whatever version we have installed, it is giving the output. That means our installation went through successful. Okay. After running this command, I'm able to see the supported commands, Terraform supported commands. All these commands definitely we will take a look in the later sessions. So this particular course is all about how to install Terraform tool in the Windows 10 machine. So looks like we have installed successfully. I hope you enjoyed this session and you will follow all the steps, and you also get successful during installation. There is one more step that is very important. Let me show you why it is important. Just go back and run same command. Now it is saying this command is not recognized because the environment variable has not been set automatically. We need to set explicitly. So hence we have to go to here, take this path, copy this path, and type environment variable and understand. Go to environment variables, environment variable, and click on the path, click on the edit, click on new, and paste the path, and click on OK, click on OK, click on OK. Then try. It will not work. This is the typical freshers or someone who doesn't have prior experience encounter this issue. This is not the issue. This is a Windows issue. It's not your issue, Windows OS issue. So in order to fix this issue, we have added environment variable. Though we have added environment variable, still you are able to see this error. So how do you fix this? How do you overcome from this error? So you need exit this command prompt and you need to open a new command prompt. Okay. Okay, now I'm in D directory. Let's run Terraform. Let's see, and -v. Let's see whether it works or not. Suppose in case during installation or after installation or before setting the environment or before installation and before setting the environment variable, if in case any of the command prompt is opened, make sure that you close and reopen again. Otherwise, you may encounter again same error, unrecognized command. So it's giving a proper version. That means environment variable has been set properly. So we are good. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this session. To encourage and to motivate me, give me thumbs up, thumbs up, and share to this video. Someone really required. Someone is really working very hard, to preparing, clear the Terraform Association certificate, or someone who is really working and he started working, or somebody wants to learn and understand Terraform. So those people may get help. So thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Stay tuned. I'll bring a lot of information, a lot of value to your resume and career. Stay connected.